If you're looking to take up a loan in Nigeria right now, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be listing some of these loan companies in Nigeria that are giving out loans without collateral, and not just without collateral, but with up to 140,000 naira loan withdrawal with low interest in Nigeria. And they're also one of those loan companies that give out loans very, very fast. By the way, this video is sponsored by Roladel. This is an online marketplace that connects freelancers selling their services with clients looking to hire someone for a project. You definitely can make money on Roladel as a freelancer, because our platform acts as an online marketplace for freelancers and businesses to connect with each other. There are plenty of opportunities available where you can earn a decent income by providing your services. And if you're a buyer, it is very easy to find the right person for the job, no matter what the job is. Roladell's homepage automatically recommends several freelancers and services on offer. But you can also search for exactly what you're looking for. Just go to www.roladel.com to get started. So with that being said, let's dive into today's content. So for the first loan company I'm going to be talking about in no particular order is a fintech loan app. So this one is new to me because I'm just coming across this one. I have done my own research and I advise you guys to go and do your own research as well. But as you can see, they give loan with interest rates as low as 2% monthly. So this means that every month you collect a loan, like every month you're owing them, like when you collect a loan every month, your interest rates will increase by 2%. So if you want to take out a loan, you can come to this place. If you're taking up a loan for your business, you can go there. So let me just read briefly, then move to the next one. So this is their loan calculator. So as you can see, they give loans from 2,000 naira to 2 million naira for a fixed repayment term of 1 or 3 months, and their payback principal, as you can see, is 2% monthly. Like I mentioned, it's 2% monthly, like I mentioned previously. So this is an estimated amount. That's for those that want to understand their borrowing properly. So if you're borrowing an amount of like 60,000, you'll be paying in a duration, like this is an example. So if you're borrowing 60K to pay in 6 months, and you're borrowing, let's say, mobile money, because they have different types of loan types here. They have asset bags, agricultural, automobiles. Let's say your car is by premium financing, power payback loans, employment model money, mobile money, any of the above, you choose one. So what this means is that once you're going to be paying back 60,960 naira in 6 months, their interest, and see the interest rates dropped from 2% to 1.6% monthly. So your monthly loan that you're going to be paying back would be 10,000 plus 8,160 naira per month. So this is very cheap if you ask me. Like the only money we'll be paying back out of the 60,000 naira would be 960 naira. So I advise you to check them out. Do your own assessment and make your own decision, guys. So they give all kinds of loans, but this is not for the purpose of this video. The next on my list is C24 Capital. So this one, I've spoken about it on one of my previous videos. They give loans from, let's say, they give loans from as high as 5 million naira in hours. So if you come over here, this thing keeps moving. You come over here, you see they give loans from as high as 5 million naira in hours. So I advise you to check it out. So they also have a loan calculator. So if you're going to take up a loan of, let's say, 1 million naira, which is what they have here, and you're going to be paying back in 3 months, which is what they have here as well, and your monthly repayment loan is going to be 300,000 plus. So this amounts to a total of 1,164,800 naira. So this is it. So if you want, there are many other loan companies, but these are the ones I'm just going to be listing out for you. They've given out loans to 8 billion people, so I advise you guys to check it out and read. So as you can see, the interest rate is not as high as some loan companies, so this one is very low. So the next on my list is Fast Credit. So Fast Credit is another loan company. So if you want to check out their loans that they give, they have a group loan lending scheme. This one is a welfare package for employees. They have SME loans for small businesses. They have invoice discounting loans. They have to buy now and pay later loans, as you can buy something and pay in installment. They have trouble now paying later loans, and they have a public loan sector. So if you're taking a public loan sector, this is how it looks like, and they have no collateral. Obviously, you can get credited in less than 24 hours and you enjoy attractive rates on repayment. So this is it. And they also have a, let's say, an estimate. If you're taking up 1 million naira, you can see payback in 10 months. So this is everything about Fast Credit. All you need to get this loan is your work ID or valid means of identification, 3-month salary account statement, your recent passport, photograph, and uniform. It applies as if your company requires you to wear a uniform. You can wear a uniform. So if your company does not need a uniform, you don't need it. So that's it about Fast Credit. The next on my list is Penny Lenders. So this one, they have to do 2 types of loans. They have the personal loan and the SME loan. So we're talking about personal loans right now. So this loan is available to all salary earners. You apply online, you upload your proof of employment, a government ID proof of address, and 6-month bank statement. You see, the other one was requesting a 3-month bank statement. This one is requesting a 6-month bank statement. So the loan is approved and funds are disbursed to your account after everything is done. So you come over, just read, guys. I always advise you guys to read read their interest rate. If you come over here, their interest rate is very low. They give loans for new customers for up to 500K. That's from 10,000 naira to 500K. And their interest rate they give is okay. Their loan tenure is about between 3 months to 6 months. Then the interest rate is between 6% to 24%. So you guys can check it out. So I think we've come to the end of this video. Please, if you have any more questions, ask me in the comment section. There are many other loan companies out there. I advise you guys to always make your own research. Always do your own research before you apply for any loan. And please don't forget to like this video and share it. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.